Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Glow Wallet, your trusted partner in managing cryptocurrencies efficiently. Glow Wallet is designed with simplicity and security at its core, making it an excellent choice for storing, sending, and receiving a wide range of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll explore its features, benefits, and usability to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Starting with the basics, Glow Wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many others. Its clean, intuitive interface ensures that even those new to crypto can easily navigate its features. From secure key management to easy transaction tracking, Glow Wallet takes the guesswork out of managing digital assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of Glow Wallet's standout features is its integrated staking capabilities. With just a few clicks, users can stake supported assets and earn rewards, making it a great option for those looking to grow their portfolio. The wallet also boasts robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to keep your funds safe. Another feature that sets Glow Wallet apart is its seamless synchronization across devices. Whether you access your wallet on a mobile app or desktop, your data remains consistent and secure. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who are always on the go. Additionally, Glow Wallet integrates with popular decentralized applications, dApps, enabling users to participate in DeFi and NFT ecosystems effortlessly. If you're concerned about fees, Glow Wallet offers transparent and competitive rates, ensuring you retain more of your hard-earned crypto. The wallet also includes detailed transaction histories and real-time market updates, empowering you with the information needed to make smart financial decisions. Take charge of your cryptocurrency journey today with Glow Wallet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button for more detailed crypto insights and tutorials.